Welcome back to Clown's Garage. Welcome back to Clown's Garage. In this video I have a 2007 Chevy Impala and I'm going to replace the headlights and the low beam bulbs to LEDs on this car. As you can see, they're very cloudy, and yes, there are ways to make these clear up by polishing them. I also have a video on how to do that. I'll put the link in the description below. I did it with toothpaste actually. But in this case over here, we opted to go with these brand new headlights and the H11 bulbs for the driving lights and the headlights, the regular low beams. And we got these from nightlight.com. I'll put that link in the description below. So let's begin. First thing over here is a bolt, 7mm bolt. Take that off. Next thing, there's a tab here. Pull this up and out. Now grab this and slowly wiggle it out, just like that. And you can see back here, there's a big connector. You push that down and wiggle it out. Just like that. Alright, now just replace the bulbs, because these don't come with bulbs. Pop this out. This is the new headlight. Put it in here. Okay, now for the high beams, these DH9 bulbs. You pop this clip up and out, it comes right off, and you turn this counterclockwise, and this comes right out. Now this is the connector, and you go in here, and you try to get it down first in the hole. And once you get it in flat like that, you turn it clockwise and it's in. And now you put the cap on to close it, to make sure you get that seal. That's it, it's good. Now for your regular beams, this is what we got from them. It comes with gloves, which is nice. And let's see what we got here. These are the LEDs that they supply you with. So over here, counterclockwise again to take this cap off. Just like that. Grab the connector. That's in. Just like that. And once it sits flat, you turn it clockwise. It's in. Now put the cap on, and you can line up the marks again, and you're good. Okay, now this is the last bulb, counterclockwise. Pull it out, and you could use the gloves here if you want. Grab the bulb, just pop it out. Same procedure here, counterclockwise, and pop this in. It's a little slippery. It clicks in like that, then put it in.
Okay.
And this also has an adjustment here. You can put a screwdriver in here for the headlights, for the low beams. Now let's put this back in the car. Put the connector on. It's good. Take this plastic off. Okay, now this goes in with some care. Alright, you're in. Just takes a little wiggling around. Push the light in a little bit so you catch that screw. And that's good. Okay, now put this in. I have to push this in a little bit too. Just like that. And that's in as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. Same thing, same procedure. There it is, folks. All installed. And it looks great. One thing I want to mention. If the LED light bulb doesn't work, you have to switch the connector around because LEDs only go one way. So that's just one tip when you put these in. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like me, and share me. See ya!